This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Kesorkar jela kala Pynsangeh Shipor yaki kambarok ki bedai baka jingtmu Pynkynriah yaki Harijan na Iewmawlong batkan hab ban apswa yaka hukum na ka yeng kasari. Kamat Pynkynriah yaki Harijan na Iewmawlong kadai kabala wanra jingkan tho na ki babon benta bat kadang dan menta ha ka jingkmi ki bor an bat kumta ki bor sensyar kin hab ban kiar na ka basyim yaka nugu rai ka ba ampat yo yaka hukum ka basai na high court. Haba kran sikilat pathai kubor uba DP Iewmawlong IAS Chief Secretary ke jela Meghalaya Iewmawlong baka muka dema ka don ha yeng kasari bat ka sarkar kadang ap ya ka hukum bat benrap baka sarkar kan yat kat kum ki jing batha ka yeng kasari.
See, regarding the Harijan colony case, we have not had a meeting for quite some time now. The case is now sub judice in the High Court, which you are fully aware of. We are awaiting for the final order from the High Court.
When is the next hearing in the High Court?
I don't have the dates with me, but it will be soon, I'm sure.
Okay, and
so we will take cognizance of the Honorable High Court's order and follow it in letter and spirit.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.